Hello guys, my name is Ijibadejo, and I'll be introducing you to my proprietary scalping strategy, which I call the Ijibadejo scalping strategy. These are the currency pairs. I use it for Euro USD, USD JPY, AUD USD GBP, USD CAD JPY, NZD USD, AUD JPY, and Euro JPY. I use 3 time frames: the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and the 5 minutes time frame. I actually use the 4 hours and the 1 hour to determine the trend, and I use it to determine resistance and support levels, key levels where I expect price to react. And let's go straight to the chart. On the 4-hour time frame, if you see clearly here, I already have plotted my downtrend line. This is downtrend line from this swing high to this swing high, and you can see that price has been resisted by this line hitherto up until when price broke through and closed above the trend line. Now this indicates that okay, price could be going up, but I get a confirmation with of the trend using divergence. I like to see a trend line break in confirmed by divergence, and you can see that with MACD here, price has been making lower lows, and MACD making higher lows. So for me, this confirms that the trend has changed and that we could be seeing price go higher. Now the next thing I want to do is I would have plotted my resistance and support lines that you can see. I've done this. These are key levels for me. Even if you go to the 1-hour time frame, you'll find out that the lines are respected lines. They are lines that are respected. You can see this place right now. This is acting as this was a resistance at some point, and now it could act as a support in the present time. Now let's go to the 5 minutes chart. I use the 5 minutes chart for clinical entries, getting clinical entry into the market. And how do I do it? It makes a lot of sense. I look for a confluence or an agreement of the Bollinger Band with my resistance support levels. Now you can see one here already. This is a key level here, a key level in agreement. You want to see price touch this Bollinger Band, make good contact with it around the region of a resistance and support. So right now I'm going to take a trade here because this has obeyed my strategy. You don't wait for a candle to close. Once the candle has touched, price has touched this, you just go in. So I'll use a standard lot here, standard lot, and it's a buy. And set a take profit of 10 pips. Please, when you are trading a scalping strategy, you do not need too much profit. My entry price is 1.3092. I set my take profit at 1.3102. Just 10 pips is all I am looking for. I use this strategy to make 1% on my account, and I take at least 10 of these trades every day. So I find out that most times I'm able to do 10 to 20% of my account on a daily basis using this scalping strategy. And that's why I'm showing the members of my Telegram group, my mentorship group. This is for you. I want you to make money the way I make money. I want you to enjoy trading, and that's why I'm unveiling this to you. It's just 10 pips only. The concept behind this trade is that you have been able to determine the longer term trend, which right now we can see that the long-term trend is up. So I want to now go to the lower time frame and look for short-term moves in the direction of the trend. I want you to understand that the trend is your friend. Scalping on its own is usually a difficult trading style, because you could get blown off. You could get into trouble just trying to get 10 pips, and before you know it, you are taking a loss of 200 pips while trying to get 10 pips. So that's why it's always important to scalp in the direction of the trend. Now you see, even if this level fails to hold, price would at worst fall down to the next support level. This is another support level here, and from there you will see price head north. It will head up, and so that's why it's just better trade in the direction of the trend. If you are a scalper, it is very important, and that's what my strategy aims at doing. So what you need to look out for is make sure that either of these bands, it could be the outer band, it could be the middle band, ensure that it is in confluence, it is in the region of your resistance and support, and that price has clearly made contact with the band. As you can see clearly here that price made contact with the band around the region of this resistance and support. Note that it is a region. These are arbitrary lines one just put, so it's not about the exact level of say 1.3093. no, it's about the region. Now you can see that this line is in the region of this band, so it tells me that this is a place to expect price to react, and that's why I took this trade, and I'm just going for 10 pips, and you will find out that this profit will be achieved very soon. Scalping is short term, and most of the time you are not looking to stay so long on this trade. You just want 10 to 20 pips, 10 to 15 pips, and this usually you are targeting it to happen within minutes, maximum an hour. So let's see how it goes. I'll be back. Now you can see it is about to just happen. I've said it, the system is awesome. 10 pips, that's it. Profit booked. That's the Ijibadejo scalping strategy in action. Now see what happened. Price went up, and at some point it looked like it was going to come back down. It came down, but you see, because we have confirmed this region as a key support level, price still went back up in favor of our trade. So that's what I'm trying to say. Ensure you are scalping in the direction of the trend, and you are sure to make a lot of money for yourself. I do this, I take at least 10, 20 trades every day. Now this is my guide for you. With $1,000 account, if you use 0.1 lot size, that's $1 per pip. If you use 0.1 lot size with 10 pips, that's $10. If you're able to get 10 of these trades a day, that's $100. That's 10% of your account size. That's awesome. So guys, let's make money the surefire way. Bless you.